Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the brand new Samsung Q-Series Soundbar HW Q600F 2025 model, with SpaceFit Sound Pro, Q-Symphony, and adaptive sound technology. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the link in the description below to grab it today at the best discounted price available online. Don't miss out. Design and build. The Q600F comes with a sleek, modern design that complements any TV setup. It's slim, minimalistic, and fits perfectly under most screens. The package includes the soundbar itself and a powerful wireless subwoofer, giving you rich bass without cluttering your living room. Sound performance. Here's where things get exciting. With 3.1.2 channel audio, this soundbar delivers a true surround sound experience. Thanks to Q-Symphony, it syncs perfectly with compatible Samsung TVs, using both the TV speakers and the soundbar together for a much fuller sound. The SpaceFit Sound Pro automatically analyzes your room acoustics and optimizes the audio, so you always get the best sound quality tailored to your environment. On top of that, adaptive sound intelligently adjusts the audio based on what you're watching, whether it's movies, sports, or dialogue-heavy content. Features and connectivity. Dolby Atmos and DTS support for immersive 3D sound. Wireless subwoofer for deep, powerful bass. Bluetooth and HDMI ARC for seamless connections. Works with multiple devices, from TVs to gaming consoles. Pros and cons. White check mark emoji, pros. Dolby Atmos plus DTS support. SpaceFit Sound Pro optimizes audio automatically. Q-Symphony enhances Samsung TV pairing. Powerful subwoofer with rich, deep bass. Sleek, modern design with easy setup. Warning emoji, cons. Works best with Samsung TVs, some features limited with others. No rear speakers included by default, sold separately. Final verdict. The Samsung Q-Series Soundbar HW Q600F 2025 model is a perfect choice if you want a cinematic home theater experience without the bulk of a full surround system. With Dolby Atmos, Q-Symphony, and SpaceFit Sound Pro, it transforms your living room into a true entertainment hub. Right pointing finger emoji, ready to take your movie nights and gaming sessions to the next level? Check the link below to get the Q600F at the best discounted deal today before it sells out.